Okay, I want to do one more example today. This one's going to have a lot of math and stoich in it. Okay, but it's a good one. So I'm saying that 1.9 grams of calcium hydroxide powder, it's dissolved in 600 mils of water. We're going to find the pH of the resulting solution. Okay, so first thing we're going to need to know is how many moles of calcium hydroxide that we've just dissolved. All right, so we're going to need to know the molar mass. That's no big deal. So we got 1.9 grams. I'm looking up everything in my data booklet here, okay, just to prove it. I won't show you all the values. Calcium is 40.08 grams, and then I've got 2 oxygens, which I know is 16, plus 2 hydrogens. Okay, so let's find out how many moles we got. Okay, so I get 0.0256 moles, and that's of calcium hydroxide. Okay, now there's something else we got to worry about. I'm going to worry about it right now. Maybe you would have after finding concentration, but this calcium hydroxide, when we dissolve it into water, it's going to become calcium ions and 2 hydroxide ions. Okay, so that means that the number of moles of hydroxide is double the number of moles of calcium. So I'm going to deal with that right now. So I'm going to say the number of moles of hydroxide equals 2 times the number of moles of calcium hydroxide. Again, you could have done concentration first and then doubled the concentration. I just wanted to get this out of the way. So just be aware, I'll ask you a question where you have to worry about the dissociation, and there'll be a molar ratio to deal with. So now this is the number of moles of hydroxide. We want hydroxide because that's going to tell us the pH. All right, so now we can find the concentration of hydroxide. Okay, it was 600 mils, so it's 0.6 liters. Okay, once we have that, we're pretty much ready to go. We're finding the pH, and we need the hydroxide concentration for that, or we could find the pOH and then subtract that from 14. It's up to me, I'm the one doing the video. I want us to get good at kW, so let's do the kW thing again. Okay, it's totally fine if you just go to pOH and then subtract from 14. But this is the new thing. I want us to all be really, really comfortable with that. So to find H3O concentration, which again is how we're going to get pH, you do kW divided by OH. Okay, I get 1.17 times 10 to the negative 13. Okay, and from there getting pH is really, really easy. We should expect a high number because we've dissolved calcium hydroxide, which of course would be super basic. And I get a high number. I get 12.9.